Good morning, children. Today you have doubt in the closure property from the chapter 1, that is the rational number. Now students, you know something that is about the rational number, which type of number they are. So let me start with the introduction, the little bit in the introduction I will giving to you, and then we will go on the closure property. So here what you have, first the set, that means the collection of the rational numbers is denoted by Q, capital Q. So student, remember, this is the notation for the collection of the rational numbers. Okay, and the rational numbers are the numbers of the form P by Q. That is, if you have any number, for example, if I write down here 4 by 3, then it is a rational number. If I write 1 by 2, then it is a rational number. If I write 0 by 8, that is a rational number. If I write down 3 upon 1, that is a rational number. That means if you have any number which is of the form P upon Q, where P and Q are some integers, then they are the rational numbers. Okay, so you know that every integer is a rational number. Okay, so now what is the meaning of the closure? So what is the meaning of closure? Closure means the enclosed within. मतलब कि वो अपने अंदर ही अगर बंद हो रहा है, then we can say it is a closure. So let me see what is the meaning of the closure properties. So here you have a rational numbers. So when we can say that the rational numbers are closed under addition or the subtraction or the multiplication. So let me see. If we add two rational numbers, okay, and the answer is the rational number, then it is said to be the closed under addition. मतलब कि अगर आप दो रैशनल नंबर ले रहे हैं, उसका सम कर रहे हैं, ओके, एंड अगर आपका आंसर जो आ रहा है वो वापस से P अपॉन Q फॉर्म में हो, मतलब कि रैशनल नंबर हो रहा है, then it is said to be the closed under addition. सिमिलर हम अगर सब्ट्रैक्शन के लिए कर रहे हैं या फिर मल्टीप्लिकेशन के लिए या डिवीजन के लिए, इन ऑल द केस इफ यू हैव फाउंड द आंसर एज अ rational number, then you can say that it is closed under addition or subtraction or multiplication or division. So let us start with, we check it with. So here I have written some notes for you, so you have clear idea about what is the closure property. Okay, so now let me see what is the how we can say it is a closed under addition, subtraction, multiplication and the division. Okay, we have to check first. So this is the things we have. Now let me see. So here closed under addition. So let me check for the addition. So what we will do? We will take any two rational number. So let me take any two rational number like whatever you can want. I am taking for 2 by 3 and 7 by 2. Okay, I am taking two rational number, 2 by 3 and 7 by 2. So let me add them. So we have 2 by 3 plus 7 by 2. So you know that you can take an LCM, here 3 and 2. So 6 is the LCM. So here we have 4 plus 21 upon 6, that is 25 upon 6. So what is your answer here, students? 25 upon 6, which is the number of the form P upon Q. Therefore this is a rational number. So ये कैसा नंबर मिल रहा है हमें? रैशनल नंबर. ओके, सिमिलरली आप और कोई भी एग्जांपल ले सकते हो. सो लेट अस टेक द सेकंड एग्जांपल. सो लेट 1 upon 5 and 2 upon 5. Okay, 1 upon 5 and 2 upon 5. I have taken denominator same, so we can easily add. So 1 upon 5 and 2 upon 5. What it will be? 2 plus, as the denominator same, so we will add directly the numerator. So 1 plus 2, 3 upon 5, and this is a rational number. Similarly, you can check for the other numbers also. So what you have, when we are taking two rational numbers, then the addition gives us a rational number. The addition gives us a rational number. Therefore, answer is, we are getting, it is a rational number, and therefore it is known as the rational number R. So we can write down here. Therefore, rational numbers are closed under addition. So this part you have done, right? You know that it is a closed under addition, and how to check that you know, you just add to number. If your answer is a rational number, then we can say it is closed under addition. So now next we will check for the subtraction. So what we will do, I am nothing doing extra here. Addition की जगह हम लिखेंगे subtraction. So now same number 2 by 3 and 7 by 2. Okay, here what we have to do now, closer check करना है subtraction के लिए, तो हम क्या करेंगे, एडिशन की जगह पे सब्ट्रैक्शन करेंगे. तो जहाँ हमने ऐड किया है यहाँ पे क्या कर लेंगे हम, माइनस. ओके, सो व्हेन वी आर टेकिंग माइनस, सो अगेन सेम थिंग. So let me perform here. So it is a 2 2s are 4 minus 21 upon 6. So what it will be, minus 17 upon 6. Okay, as we are getting the negative, but no issue with that. Your number in the form of P upon Q, and hence it is a rational number, right? Let me check for 1 upon 5 and 2 upon 5. I just change here 2 by 5 and 1 upon 5. So we now getting minus. So what it will be? Let me find 2 upon 5 minus 1 upon 5. As the denominator is same, so directly we will minus the numerator. 2 minus 1 upon 5, that is 1 upon 5. And what is this, student? In the form of a 1 upon 5, which is a rational number. So now you find out what is a rational number. When we are subtracting the number, we are getting a rational number. Okay, we are subtracting two rational number, and your answer is a rational number. So therefore, rational numbers are closed under subtraction. Okay, so you have done the second thing, that your rational numbers are closed under subtraction. Now what we have to check for the multiplication, and what we will do, same thing. We will take two numbers, we will multiply, and if the answer is yes, if the answer is rational number, then the rational numbers are closed under multiplication. So let me check for the multiplication. So what I am doing here, at the place of subtraction, writing multiplication. Okay, so let me write down the same number, or you want to change? So let me change some numbers. Here the numbers we are changing. If you can take the same number, then also no problem, students. So you will get the same closure property. Okay, because the rational numbers are closed under multiplication. So let me check. Let we are taking 7 by 2 and 3 by 4. Okay, so what we will get? Let me multiply 7 by 2 into 3 upon 4. You know that, student, when we are multiplying two rational numbers, that means you have to multiply the numerator and the denominator. Numerator with the numerator, 7 into 3 upon 2 into 4. So what you will get? 7 3s are 21 and 4 3s are 8. So what the answer is? 21 upon 8. और ये कौन से फॉर्म में है? P upon Q. Yes, the numbers are in the form P upon Q and hence it is a rational number. Let me check for one more example. I am taking here 5 upon 3 and 7 upon 6. Okay, so let me check the multiplication. So what can be the multiplication? 5 by 3 into 7 by 6. When we are multiplying two rational number, how we multiply? Numerator and the numerator, denominator and denominator. Okay, so 5 into 7 upon 3 into 6. So 7 5s are 35 and 3 6s are 18. So what is it? It is a rational number. So here what you have, the rational numbers are closed under multiplication. So our rational numbers are closed under multiplication. So now you have clear that the rational numbers are closed under addition, closed under subtraction, closed under multiplication. Now what can be happen when we are taking the division? So let me check. So fourth part is division. So here we have a division. So what we will do? Now let me take the same example here. So 7 by 2 and 3 by 4, or you want to change, then you can change the number also. Okay, I am not changing here. So let me divide 7 by 2 divided by 3 by 4. Okay, so what we are doing, when we are dividing number, then multiplication means we have to take the reciprocal of this number. So this is 2 2s are 4. So 7 2s are 40 upon 3. So what is it? Rational number. Okay. For the next example, I am taking the one number as a 5 by 3 and another number I am taking as 0. 0 is a rational number. You remember, every integer is a rational number. So when we are taking 0, then 0 is also the rational number. So let me check what can be happen when we are taking the division. So here 5 by 3 divided by 0. That means 5 by 3 divided by 0. But is it possible, students, to divide any number by 0? No, because divisible by 0 is not defined. So remember, when we are dividing a number, you are not getting the answer. Not possible. This is not possible. So here what we are getting? We are getting the number in the division for what? The division is not possible. That means the rational numbers are not closed under division. So now you understood what? When we are taking a closure property, rational numbers are closed under addition, subtraction and the multiplication, but not closed under division, because हमारे पास एक rational number है, that is 0, for which the division is not possible. Addition, subtraction and multiplication is possible, but division is not possible, and that's why we can say rational numbers are not closed under division. So what we can say here? Rational numbers closed under addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So closed, yes, and yes and no. Okay, here I should write down no. Okay, so you remember this, rational numbers are closed under addition, under subtraction, under multiplication and under division? No, it is not closed under division. So I hope now you get the clear idea about the closure property. Okay students, so stay home, take care of yourself, and thank you and have a nice day.